Good morning, everyone. So, I am Teacher Joseph, and I am your math teacher. So, today is our 32nd day of our online math class. So, today we have a new topic that is data analysis and presentation. So, get your books and open it on page 149. 149. Okay, so page 149. Okay, let's proceed. So data analysis and presentation. So let's go to the next slide. Collecting and categorizing data. So data is raw information that needs to be processed before it becomes meaningful and useful. Okay, again, data is raw information that needs to be processed before it becomes meaningful and useful. So if it is only a data, so it's just only like bit of ideas. But if you process that, that will become useful information. So that is what we are discussing today. So analysis. Okay, let's have the example. So in the data analysis and presentation, so we have lots of table. So here you will be asked of some questions. So you need to answer in sentence form, or you have to draw what is asked. Okay, so let's have this example. So Yana does a survey to find out the favorite sports of a group of students. She uses the tally method to organize the collected data. So look at this: badminton, football, basketball, and swimming. So that is the data: badminton, football, basketball, and swimming. Next, you have to count how much is the tally. So example, this one, when you count, you do by stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means each group has 5 sticks. Okay, so 5, 10, 15, 20. Then how about this one? 20, 21, 22, 23. So that means there is 23 students who likes badminton. Next, let's go to football. 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 students who likes football. Next, basketball. 5, 10. Okay, so there are 10 students who likes basketball. Then last one, swimming. So swimming, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So lastly, there are 14 students who likes swimming. So let's check if it is correct. 23, 7, 10, 14. That's correct. She also organizes the collected data in a table. So before or after you count the tally, so you put that in a table. So how many number of students who likes badminton? That is 23, football 7, basketball 10, and swimming 14. Okay, good job. Next, let's proceed to reading and drawing pictograms. So here, you have to understand the drawing. Okay, then on the other exercises is you will be the one to draw. Okay, so let's proceed here. Data or information can also be presented in a pictogram. Again, data or information can also be presented in a pictogram. Pictogram means by means of pictures. Okay, so you remember the tally, right? So it uses sticks. But in pictograms, you use pictures like this one, the example, flowers. So there are pictures of flowers that you can see in the table. Okay, so let's proceed. The pictogram below shows the number of flowers sold by a florist in 4 days. In 4 days. So it says you need to write the title, number of flowers sold, then there are 4 days. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So in Monday, there are 5 flowers. In Tuesday, 4 flowers. In Wednesday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 flowers. And on Thursday, there are 6 flowers. Okay, but if you write here 5, 4, 8, and 6, it is not yet the answer. You need to look below. So it says each flower represents 20. It represents 20 flowers. So that means each picture represents 20. So this is not 5. Okay, so 20 plus 20, that's 40, plus 20, that is 60, plus 20, that is 80, then plus 20, that is 100. So Monday is not 5 flowers. Monday is 100 flowers. Okay, so that's it. Always remember to look below. Okay, so if you count everything and each flower is 20, so the total number of flowers sold by the florist in the 4 days was 460. So you can solve 100 plus 80 plus 160 plus 120. Okay, so that's it. If you solved everything, the answer will be 460. Okay, good job. Next, one-way tables. So a one-way table displays the information for a single categorical data. So it's just a number. You just put in one table the number. How many students are there? How many students are there? So they are classified. So there is one-way tables. So you don't have to look at the picture. You don't have to tally. So it's already given. The number is already given. Okay. So example. Number of left-handed and right-handed students in the class. So the left-handed is 6 and the right-handed is 28. So you don't have to count the pictures. The number is already given. Okay, good job. Okay, so now we are ready. So let's go now to page 151. Let's answer letter A. So the following tally chart is obtained from a survey conducted to find out the favorite flowers of a group of students. So that's the question for number 1. Again, the following tally chart is obtained from a survey conducted to find out the favorite flowers of a group of students. So there is a table. So if you can see at your book, there are favorite flowers. So favorite flower, then tally. So this, in letter A, they uses tally method. So favorite flower is carnation, dahlia, jasmine, rose, and tulip. So you have to count how many carnation, how many students who choose carnation as their favorite flower, dahlia, jasmine, rose, tulip. So complete the following table based on the tally chart. Okay, so the first one is already done. So let's check if it is correct. Okay, so 5, I told you, right? In one group in the tally is 5. So 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. So this is, okay, let's wait. Okay, so this is correct. 18 students. How about dahlia? Okay, let's count. 5, 10, 11, 12. So how many is dahlia? Yes, 12 students. Okay, good job. Okay. Next, let's go to jasmine. So how many students chose jasmine? Let's count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so in jasmine, there are 9 students. Okay, very good. Now let's go to rows. How many students chose rows? Let's count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27. Okay, so there are 27 students who chose rows. Okay, correct. Then last one, tulip. So how many students chose tulip? Let's count. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So tulip has 19 students. Okay, very good. So that's it for letter A. So it's very easy, right? Okay, so let's proceed. Next page, 152. So in letter B, we have to answer the questions based on the pictogram. So now we will read the pictogram already. So let's proceed. So page 152. Okay, this is the table. Number of cartoons. So in a pictogram, there is always a title so that you will know what we are looking for. Okay, so the title is number of cartons of milk of different flavors sold in a day. Again, numbers of cartons of milk of different flavors sold in a day. So there are different flavors. As you can see on the table, there are 4 different flavors. The first one is a natural flavor. The next one is the banana flavor. The third one is the chocolate flavor. And the last one is the strawberry flavor. So there are 4 flavors mentioned. And it says each cartons of milk represents 20 cartons. So that means the natural flavor is not 3, but 20 each. So 20 plus 20 plus 20, that is 60. Okay, but let's look at the question. So on this question, you should not write the answers only. So you need to do it in sentence form. How? Okay, let's answer. Question number 1. What does the pictogram show? Okay, so the question number 1 is, what does the pictogram show? So what will be the answer? Okay, just copy the title on the top part. Okay, so you have to write the numbers of cartons of milk of different flavors sold in a day. So if the question is what does the pictogram show, that is the title. Okay, the numbers of cartons of milk of different flavors sold in a day. Okay, good job. Next, number 2. How many cartons of milk were sold in total? So you have to count everything. So let's count. Okay, you follow me, huh? Let's count. So 20 cartons each. So let's count by 20. Okay, you follow teacher. So we have to count everything. Okay, 20 plus 20, that is 40. 40 plus 20, that is 60. Right? Okay, 60 plus 20, that is 80. Plus 20, that is 100. 100 plus 20, 120. Plus 20, 140. Plus 20, 160. Plus 20, 180. Plus 20, 200. Plus 20, 220. Plus 20, 240. Plus 20, 260. Plus 20, 280. Plus 20, 300. Plus 20, 320. Plus 20, 340. Plus 20, 360. Plus 20, 380. plus 20, 400, then plus 20, that is 420. So that means how many cartons of milk were sold in total? 420 cartons of milk. So you don't have to follow what I just did, because you can just do like this. So you write first 60. So how many here? 80, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so there are 8. So this will be 160. Then this will be 120. Okay, so 120 plus 160, that is 280, plus 80, that is 260, 360. Okay, then so on. So that will become 420. Okay, so good job. Okay, let's proceed to number 3. Number 3, which is sold more, strawberry flavored milk or banana flavored milk? What is the difference between them? So sold more, many. So as you can see on the picture, you know already that, strawberry and banana. So which is more, banana or strawberry? Yes, so it is strawberry. So how many is the difference? So banana has 4, strawberry has 2 more. So the 2 more here times 20, that will be 40. So the question number 3 is, the first answer is strawberry flavored milk. Then what is the difference? 40 cartons. Okay, very good. Next, let's go to number 4. Number 4, if a carton of milk is 10 baht, what is the total amount of money the store collected that day? You remember your answer in number 2? It counts how many cartons sold in the total. So what if it is 10 baht per carton? Okay, let's solve. 420, so there are 420, your answer in number 2, right? 420 times 10 baht each. So let's count 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 2, 4. Then you add, so this is plus, so 0, okay, cannot write, oh, okay, let's do it one more time. Okay, wait. Okay, one more time. 4, let's make it small. 420 times 10. Okay, so 0 times 0, 0, 0 times 2 is 0, 0 times 4 is 0. Then 0, 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 4 is 4. Then you have to add. Then 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 2 is 2, then bring down 4. So that means the answer for number 4 is, So the answer in number 4 is 4,200 baht. Okay, so your answer in number 2, you multiply by 10 baht. Okay, that's the answer. Last one. Arrange the flavors of milk in descending order based on the number of cartons sold. So you can already answer this by looking at the picture. So descending order from the biggest to the smallest, largest to the smallest. So which one is the largest here? Chocolate flavor. Correct. Next is strawberry flavor. Correct. Next is banana flavor. And the last is natural flavor. So chocolate, strawberry, banana, and natural. Okay. Okay, that's it. So you know that already. So it's time now. So let's end here. So next meeting, we will start answering on letter C. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you everyone, and I will see you again in our next class. Goodbye. Stay safe.